Yo, what is going on, YouTube? Good morning. My name is Josh with American AF Dumpster Rentals here in Dallas. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because I want you to stay on top of all these videos that we're putting out, and it helps the algorithm. Anyways, we are working. The sun's not even up yet. It also helps that the time changed the other day, but we are starting bright and early today because we've got a busy day ahead of us. At least I think. I'm not sure. I just figured let's start early. We got several to do, and we also have our networking lunch, which kind of takes a lot of time in the middle of the day. So we're doing swap outs, we're doing concretes, we're doing deliveries, and we're gonna have some good lunch. So let's get to work. Let's make this happen. In that last video, it looked like I was flying through here, but I had to go quick, otherwise there was a potential for me getting stuck. Yeah, the one that's full. Yes, sir. Yep. That was the customer calling me for some reason. All right, this is a little not so good. Same as this right here. Can't take that. Cool. Should be good. We're not going far. Gotta pull it forward. Line her up. Good morning. How are you guys?
And a day or two away out for me.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. Every now and then you go to weigh in at these scales and they make you weigh out again. They want to update your tare weight, make sure nothing's changed. Usually an automatic thing after 30 days or so. Me?
It's one of them small ones. Rookie, that's what.
Apparently. I don't come early in the morning. Apparently they go by the rules in the morning. I don't follow the rules in the afternoon.
It is in Daniel Mayhem.
Dragon.
Oh.
It must be a heavy can or something. Anything with hypers, I don't know. UPS guy can make it.
UPS trucks go through here. Yeah, I'm not a UPS truck.
Same old service, yeah. There's no reason time. We're gonna go down there. Just gotta make sure when we use this tool, when we sell it, we don't keep it in. Oh shit. Ominous. Like a horror story. That's your hitchcock on this. Oh shit, it ripped off my
Oh, damn.
it just probably just fell on it. Like this one's damaged right here. That's weird, it just broke it off, like didn't break it. Alright, so we are doing this job for Rhino Solutions. You guys may know him on the channel every now and then, Mr. Dylan Dunn, the guy with the red beard. And yeah, he's got us here doing concrete dumpsters. So we've been doing this. I'll get run over. Not by me. Don't get run over by the truck behind you. Crazy. We've been doing concrete dumpsters for this job site for a while, and somebody tagged my dumpster yesterday, so I've got a little footage here that we're about to play for you guys of me getting my payback. Show them a little bit of love. Man, this is tall as hell. Why is his so tall? Ooh, that looks pretty on the green. Right there's that. We got big old chunks of concrete in there. And he didn't even wave back to you. You gave your dirty ass look, bro. Why they get their dumpsters? So I delivered 2 of these dumpsters on Saturday. These are 2 of the ones I delivered during the storm. The wind and the storm had blew all the insulation out into the trees there and the field. And so they had a whole bunch of people out here cleaning up all that insulation. Got a way to put the roof on them. Gotta stay under the walls. It's gotta stay under the rails. That's good. That should be good. Just step on it. Have him step on it. Para de encima. That's good, that's good, that's good. What's up?
So y'all can't even like separate it at y'all's dump site?
No.
Give me.
No. We don't have a place to do that.
No.
Unfortunately, no. We just have a yard. That's all of it right there, eh?
I mean, in both of these.
Yeah. No, I would have been able to bring in like another 15 yard smaller dumpster, but no. Once it's in there, it's in there. We don't have no kind of machinery to do that.
Yeah. Okay.
Separate it. All right.
Thanks, brother.
All right, man. No problem. You f***ed up my brand new tarp, my brand new mud flaps, man.
And that's because I backed up, dumped it, pulled out, checked it, and then I went to shut the door. I was like, what the fuck? And I was gonna go and try and look for it, but homeboy was already pushing this shit back.
Was the whole bar gone too?
No, everything, the screws are still there, even the the reflector thing's still there. It's a little bent, but I guess it must have caught something. But now this ain't doing shit.
I told you, this thing's been starting bad ever since we brought it back.
Yeah, now it ain't even got no juice, no nothing.
Yeah, it's not even, it's got like, not even a volt.
Yeah, nothing. I looked in there, everything's connected.
I thought it was on a hinge.
I mean, they look all. But I took that off. Everything's tight.
I don't know where my charger's at.
Yeah, I tried to find it because I know you have a battery charger. So
My battery charger's not gonna charge all that. We need a big. I need a big one for these. Man, that should really be on the hinge. Yeah, 3, and I don't know what 31 series is. ¿Van a tapar?
Yo creo porque esos fueron los que trajeron.
How are they in there? Just a little.
Yeah, show them the
Scud
storm.
clouds.
Yeah, we.
Those are scud clouds.
What?
Those are scud clouds.
Okay, show them the scud clouds then.
I just called them cotton ball clouds.
All right, so we are here back at the yard. Daniel ripped off our brand new mud flaps off the
Mud flaps.
Mack
Yep.
truck. One mud flap.
I don't know what the hell happened. I
Brand spanking new.
Dumped it just like I do.
We saw it this morning though. It was dragging on the ground.
Was it?
Yeah,
Oh, that's probably why then.
we kind of saw it.
And the other
I
one's
thought you had a
only
heavy can or
And
something.
the other one's like this, off the ground. That much, like maybe 1 inch off of
It's
it.
very hard to stay legal. That's all I gotta say. And now you broke the
And that's-
international.
Yeah, I broke it.
So again, since we got it back from the mechanic shop, it has had such a hard start. Very terrible start. It just takes a long time to crank over. At first we thought it was because it was really cold out.
Yeah, but that's
that
what they
week-
claimed.
Well, no, that week
Oh,
after
yeah,
we
it
got
was.
here,
Oh,
it was
yeah, it
freaking
was.
freezing cold. But it's continued to do it, and I should have checked it sooner. I don't have a big battery charger for these big trucks, so if anybody on the channel is watching and you have a recommendation for a good large battery charger to charge these big batteries on these trucks, let me know in the comments, because we're gonna have to buy one pretty soon. Roofers are almost done.
Finally.
They left a mess, so hopefully they clean
Yeah.
up those.
Concrete bricks, all kinds of shit on
I
the
know.
back, inside, everywhere. I bet you they're not though.
We got another storm coming. It's a brewing,
Yeah, and on Friday.
and on Friday.
Yeah, they said it's gonna be another dust storm.
We're just now like coming back to a kind of normal, although we've been really busy. Do
No.
you have any small ones?
2.
I booked the 20 for you tomorrow.
2.
You got
There's
20?
a 20 on my
All right,
truck.
cool.
There's
All
20 on my truck and one
So make sure you guys like, subscribe.
Smash that notification bell.
Yeah.